Yesterday I made this part of my gluing rack, but I'm considering changing it because it's not really stiff enough. And then also when I wanted to sand it off, I was using my drum sander over here, which I've taken apart because it was not really sanding. It has two drum rollers and only one of them was touching, and then I made adjustments with these set screws here. That's just like how you're supposed to set the height on the drums. And then I found that these bearings are kind of shot, so you can see that one moves pretty easily. And then I think this one is pretty much locked up. This one's hard to move. So I'm thinking I'm just going to replace all these bearings, and then that'll fix that. So like, probably seems a little chaotic, but I'm doing it this way because it helps me get all my equipment dialed in. And then once everything is dialed in, then I'll be ramped up for production. But going back to this thing, I think if I just turn this like this way, it'll obviously be way stiffer. The only thing is I have to then make the hole in here, and I don't really have a long enough bit, so I'm also considering just adding like a third piece to stiffen it that way. But I'm gonna glue it together first and see how stiff it is, and then go from there.